So this is a call about a shower drain that's not draining well. Pools up in there, they say, when they're showering. Now you don't always need a plumber to do stuff like this. You can see here I'm just taking out 2 Phillips head screws. And I'm going to go ahead and pull the shower drain cover off. Guys, you don't always need a plumber. Just use common sense sometimes. So now the cover's off, you can see down the drain and look at all that hair. This is wild. This thing's never been cleaned out. Now watch when I pull it out. This is why the drain's not draining well. And you don't need a plumber to do this. If you have a Phillips head screwdriver, just pull the thing off. Look at that. Problem solved.